Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and I just want to start this video off with a belly shot. I believe I'm about 36 to 37 weeks pregnant in this video. In this video, we are just going to start it off with some laundry motivation, and then we are going to head downstairs for a second day. This is a 2-day video. So for the second day, we are heading downstairs and we are getting into some dishes. I am starting off in my kitchen per usual because my kitchen definitely needed it. It definitely just needed a good cleanup. And then I am cleaning up my living room / computer area just because there was so much stuff everywhere. My house really needed cleaned up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it.
I hop out the car, leave the motor running. Why you always talking like you know something? Why you always talking, gon' show 'em something? No stunt double, I do my own stunt. Could take a year, I'll still have that paper coming. Put like 10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. All in the club, we don't do no clubbing. Throw like 10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. Could never take a handout. New cars, bigger house, everything was planned out. 2020 hindsight, noticing how I panned out. Never did too much, never wanted to stand out. Spent plenty, in my 20s, no place empty. God sent me, keep it thorough, this not trendy. Don't tempt me, on the edge and I'm sick. See them stealing my moves, hear them jacking my lyrics. But Chris can never dance like Mike, and Floyd can never hit like Tyson. I am who I am, never tripping, I just stick to the plan. And if I trip, it's to a beach, I put my toes in the sand. Silly.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and
Because this video is a shorter video, I just want to say that I won't be talking too much throughout this video. I just want you guys to really enjoy and get some cleaning motivation out of it. But most of my videos coming up soon will just be kind of two-dayer, or maybe like going on 3 days. I just, like, as I'm getting more pregnant, this baby is not trying to come out, but he's definitely getting bigger, and I am not moving as fast as I was before. So I am just trying to take my time, but also get my house cleaned and film for you guys. So just know that a lot of my videos for right now are going to be on a couple days span, but it's okay. We are going to get through it and get this house clean together.
wanna go, I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating, I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you would say yes. I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Told you I could never let you go. I am not so sure you believe me, But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
if only for a moment, only for a while. I regret letting you go, and you were mine. I thought I'd be fine, but now my heart don't feel right, and this pain doesn't go away. Yeah. If I could turn back time, I would've never let you down, 'cause now I'm waiting for you to say, stay with me. Call me back. I haven't heard from you in so long. I'm starting to forget what you sound like. 'Cause now that it's over, I'm by myself.
And just like that, we are reaching the end of this video. I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation out of it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I look forward to see you guys in the next one. If you are not subscribed, please really do consider, and please just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.